Hi everybody, it's Tina for Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with this week's planner from January 18th to the 24th, and I did minty and pinky colors. Have a little unicorn. I got a to-do list here, and it says love. Important because I start my mixed media Monday on the 18th, noon Pacific Standard Time, 1 Mountain, 2 Central, 3 Eastern. So I got that, and I'll fill things in throughout the week. And got little banners and an arrow. Weekend here, note here. Craft Chat is on BMOS channel at 2 Pacific, 3 Mountain, 4 Central, and 5 Eastern. I will be on there. We had to postpone it from last week because I wasn't feeling good and neither was BMO. And if there's anything that you ladies or gentlemen that have going on, let me know because I'll put in my planner because I always haul out my planner sometimes at the end of my videos and let everybody know what's going on. So this is the layout this week. As always, thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.